In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a dumbbell decline chest press, and we're going to be using one of these Swiss balls to create that decline. So the whole point of this exercise is not to say that this is a better alternative than just using a bench. It's more if you don't have a bench that goes into a decline, or you've just got little bits at home that you're trying to work with to create a workout, this is just a way in which you can use a Swiss ball to create a decline to do your dumbbell chest press. Now, firstly, before I set myself into position, what I want you to do is whatever dumbbells you're using, just pop them to the side of the mat. So you'll notice I've got a mat here for general comfort. I'm just going to pop these dumbbells up, and I've got them in a position now where I can grab them nice and easily when I'm coming into the exercise. So firstly, I pop my heels on top of the Swiss ball. I come all the way back. From here, I'm going to raise my hips up. I'm going to grab the dumbbells. And from this position, what I want you to do is bring your elbows flared out, and I want the elbow position to be underneath the shoulders. So not in line with the shoulders, just underneath. From this position, you're going to press up. I've got a slight angle in which these dumbbells are at, so a vague 45-degree angle when I'm pressing up. I return back down until my elbows touch the floor, and I repeat for my desired amount of repetitions. So I'm always trying to come up, making sure the dumbbells are above the position of my chest as opposed to above the position of my shoulders. Once you're done, to return the weights down safely, just pop your elbows down, release off the dumbbells with your hands, and of course you are repeating that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. So that's a way that you can do a dumbbell chest press. If you're using really heavy weights, it might be good if you've got a partner to get them to pass the weights to you for this variation.